our rugged eastern foothills stands our symbol pure and bold. Big C meets to fight and strive and win for blue and gold. Hey, hey, hey! Golden Bear is ever watching. Day by day he prowls. And when he hears the tread of lowly Stanford Red from his lair, he fiercely growls.
What's he say?
He says, grrrr, grrrr, grrrr. We are sons of California, fighting for the golden blue. Palms of glory we will win for alma mater true. Hey, hey, hey! Stanford's men will soon be routed by our dazzling sea. And when we serpentine, the red will turn to green in our hour of victory. Go Bears!
Hi guys, my name's Annie.
And I'm Riley.
And we're going to be your nature directors today. We're going to be taking you on a stroll through all 3 camps.
And yeah, so we're just gonna stop by all the stages and all the lodges and put your sunscreen on and fill up your water bottles and stay safe. Hope you guys are staying safe during quarantine, and we're gonna have a great hike. Hi! Alright, we're gonna go down to the Blue Creek side and just check it out what it's like when you guys aren't here. I really hope you guys are social distancing and wearing your masks. And you know, it's kind of a bummer that we're not able to be up at the Lair this summer, but this is a way that you guys can be up at the Lair virtually, so that's great. Oh my goodness gracious. So this is Blue Creek side, and if you're a Gold or an Oski camper, you might not have ever seen this, so that's kind of cool. But if you're a Blue camper, then you've probably seen this a whole lot, and that's kind of cool. So here we are. This is where you would read a poem that takes 45 minutes to recite, and maybe sing a song that you like.
Follow me. I'll show you guys the tents at Camp Blue just below the pool. Here we have 51 through 61. Might look a little bit different.
Okay, we're just gonna fill up our water here over at Blue, and then we're gonna head over to the Blue Dining Hall. And so here we go. Water's really important. You guys should stay hydrated, but okay, so the water's off at Blue, so we're gonna fill up our water at Gold when we get there next. But for now, we're just gonna have to go without water.
Whoa! Here we are over here at Blue Creek. Wow, such a nice day. The water feels great, but I'm really hungry. And it's almost time for lunch. Maybe we should go check out the Blue Dining Hall, but before that, maybe we can go check out the Blue Art Grove.
Okay, here we are at the Blue Art Grove. Things look a little shut down, but I want to tie-dye something, so let's see. This is where they keep the tie-dye, right? Isn't this where this is? Oh, what the heck?
Do you guys want to tie-dye or make a lanyard? Woo! lunch.
Hi. All right, so because of quarantine and because you guys can't be up here this summer, we're gonna give you a tour of the Blue Staff area, something that no camper has ever seen before.
Come follow us. We're gonna take the creek all the way from blue to gold. We're halfway between blue
And go!
A fun fact about these fun little red plants is they're called snow plants, and they only come up after the snow, and you have to be here early in the season to see them. So,
Hey guys, we're almost to Gold Creekside. I'll see you there. Marker.
we made it to Gold Creekside. Thank you guys so much for following along with us. We hope that you guys are staying safe and happy and healthy at home, and we hope that next summer you'll be able to be here with us at the Lair of the Bear. And now if you guys want to follow us to the Gold Lodge. If you're going on a hike with other people, make sure you socially distance and stay at least 6 feet apart.
At least 6 feet apart.
The Gold store looks a little different.
There's no ping pong table. What the heck?
Riley, what's that?
Well, that's the Gold Lodge. So over the winter, you know the cabinets in your tents? Well, we put those in the Gold Lodge and we stack them all the way to the ceiling.
Hey, I'm getting awfully hungry and it really is time for lunch.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it is. Oh, hey, but this is the bear. He's hibernating. Let's make sure we don't wake him up.
Wait, maybe we shouldn't wake him.
Oh,
Can't believe we got away. Oh look, there's the gold pool.
So here's the Gold Pool. This is where we have our pool shows. But, you know, because of the quarantine, we can't have it. But we hope to see you here next year. Well, here we are at Camp Gold. It's business as usual. Unfortunately, campers aren't here.
Yay, I finally made it in time for lunch. Let's see what the gold cooks are up to.
Wow, the Gold Cooks really nailed that one.
I'm stuffed.
Yeah, me too. Okay, now we're gonna show you guys some unseen footage of the Gold Staff area.
Whoa, you can't be in here.
Glad you guys could see the Gold Staff area. Now, here we are at the Oski Creekside. Here we are at the Oski Dining Hall. Here's Bog Hall all boarded up. And Annie found the biggest pine cone, and I found the smallest pine cone. So we'll see what those get us when we get to the Oski stage. are at Oski, and there's A circle with all the tent tops taken off. And here's B circle with all the tent tops taken off. Let's head over to the Oski stage.
Before we take you to the stage, we wanted to take you to see the inside of B4.
Wow, we had a great time at the Oski stage. Sure glad we won those trophies for largest and smallest pine cone. Wait, but where did Annie go? Annie! You're not allowed to be in there, you're not potty trained.
Oh, come on! We just wanted to say thank you guys so much for coming out to hike with us through all 3 camps, and we hope you guys enjoyed.
Just remember to stay safe during COVID, and for a special treat, we're going to show you the Oski staff area, something
never before seen by camper eyes.